Merry Christmas, which didn't send me into a different dimension. Hello everyone, welcome to this kind of Christmassy present organising, present wrapping, Christmas vlog. I'm not a vlogger, as you can tell, and I'm not really dressed very Christmassy either. I don't want to show you my boobies. So I just got my mum her Christmas present, a little bit last minute, but I'm really happy with what I've got her. Let me balance you. Okay, cool. So I've got my mum this card because both of our cats passed away this year and we are such an animal loving family. Also, do you like these earrings? I actually met my mum for coffee today and we were getting a present for my brother. We were looking around and she was like, oh, these earrings are like your cuffling here. Let's get them. And she was really sweet and got them for me. And then I had a vegan hot chocolate in Costa. But yeah, as I said, my cats died, which we were really sad about. So I thought it'd be good to get her a card, kind of cat themed. Have a perfect Christmas. So this is my mum. My mum is obsessed with plants, as you can kind of see. And over there, there's some plants too, but I'm not going to show you. But this girl has grown so much. She was so small. She was probably about the size of the plant I've got her when my mum first got her. But I feel really good because I got the plant from this place called Fern and Ivy in Cirencester. She gives off tree vibes. Look at the colour of her leaves. And the lady, luckily, I'm really bad at keeping plants alive. I will get better. But the lady said that luckily I don't actually need to do anything with her. For the moment, my mum will have to, but she's also given me the card for plant maintenance. So that's what I got my mum. I also got, can I get it out to show you? I really want to show you. Yeah, because my mum's obsessed with plants. At the moment, she uses this to water them, or to spray them as well with a spray mist. It's plasticky, and my mum actually is really obsessed with kind of interior design and her house is beautiful. So I thought I'd get her something to match the house to clean the plants with, so you can spray. I think it's just for spraying, this one, not for pouring, but that's exactly what that one's for as well. And then mum can throw out the plastic one and have this one, which is just really nice. I might keep it in this box. Let's take the price off. I also got my mum's husband's mum, because she's spending Christmas with us, I keep trying to hide my boobies because I don't know, I'm self-conscious. And I got, yeah, my mum's husband's mum, this soap with the price on sale. I need to get her something else as well though. I'm going to get her a fancy candle, but I needed a wee really badly in town. And I also was like, I don't really want to carry this plant around because I just don't want to ruin her. She's stunning, isn't she? So far, so good. I also think I'm going to try and get my mum some Turkish Delight. Or I might just keep up the plant theme, because it'd be quite funny to have a plant-themed Christmas ordeal for my mum, because she's plant crazy. But yeah. Also, I came home and the lady that cleans my mum's house is wonderful. She has left some mince pies out for us and she's put from Santa Claus. How cute is that? Maybe I could give you a house tour and that's kind of Christmas themed because all the Christmas decorations are up. Let's do that now. Let me just move my shiz from the table. Okay, so here's the table. We've got a lovely little Christmas tree here. We've got this. I always used to have this in my room. My mum used to always hang it in there. Little Christmas tree, little Santa. Any other Christmas bits here? Oh yeah, this is our family postcard from like last year that we had to have my brother photoshopped in. So funny. Lovely little Bill. Look at her, isn't she stunning? She also was the most healthy plant in the shop. Some of them looked a little bit ill, so I was like, I can't get my mum a plant that's already dying, you know? This is where we put the shopping list on. I need to actually get my vegan stuff together. Look how nice. Yeah, I'm cooking myself some vegan food this year. I'm going to be doing vegan lasagna. And I'm going to use Nush cheese and Beyond Meat mince, which I'm really excited about. This is where mum keeps the cards. Really cute. Look at this. Mum's got a bit of an obsession with nutcrackers. I've got these guys too. And here's our inside wreath. I'll show you the outside wreath in a minute. Some more nutcrackers. Hello. Another nutcracker. A candle that's not even got the packaging off yet. Another nutcracker. And this I really want to show you in the evening when we have it on, but Mum has literally crafted this nativity scene. Like, those camels there are ordered from Israel. She's just really made this all herself. Like, she made this little hut herself. Just quickly want to tell you as well, something that's really cute. Let me go in the window so the lighting's good. I was putting on some lipstick the other day and these two women walked past and they went, "That's the house with the really beautiful wreath, that one," and pointed at ours. I still haven't told my mum that. Okay, let me show you the outdoor wreath without showing you the number of our house. How beautiful is it? Mum added these in. So nice. I'm gonna write Mum's card now. I always like to make an effort with cards, make it special, since it's a good time to get your feelings down. It says heaven. I've tried to do a postcard from heaven because I've actually written on one half of the card my message to my mum, and on the other half of the card I've written a message from my cats in heaven. It's wrapping presents time. Let's get some wrapping paper. I don't actually know what we've got. We've got this wrapping paper which has got kind of Christmas trees on it. I don't think we've actually got anything else. I'm also aware that wrapping paper isn't particularly environmentally sustainable friendly. So yeah, I didn't actually buy it. My mum's got a bit of a stash, but I think she said that she doesn't want to buy much anymore either. She's just going to use tissue paper. Always good to try and think about the planet when it comes to Christmas time. It is a capitalist holiday, and whilst it's nice to treat your loved ones, it's also nice to treat Mother Nature. And we really don't ever think about Mother Nature, especially at Christmas. I will not be eating any turkeys this year, that's for sure. But less on that, I'm going to try and wrap Mum's plant washer thing. Although, this wrapping paper's not one, it's just lots of mini ones. That's not going to work with that. I want to wrap it though, because that's a bit boring, isn't it? A beige box. What Christmas traditions do you have? I'd like to know if you could comment below. Or what do you think about Christmas if you're someone who's quite conscious of the planet? What hacks do you have, or what things do you want people to be mindful of? I'd like it if you talked about that kind of stuff. I find that really interesting and important to talk about. Okay, well, I don't know what to wrap my blooming presents with. Right, I'm going to pause you because I'm going to have to figure this out. I found these. Let me turn the lights on because it's quite dark. Are vegan, so we can have a mince pie whilst we wrap. This is really nice wrapping paper. I wrapped my boyfriend's present with this, but not enough. You in here, I think. How annoying is that? Oh, so annoying. Police, now you're dad. Oh, I can't do two, can I though? What do? I don't have anything else. I don't want to go back out again. Okay, now we're talking. I really want to wrap it well. Every year, I'm getting a bit better with wrapping. Can you see my head, or is my head chopped off? So a wise woman once told me that with wrapping paper, try to use as little as possible and that will make it look neater. Also, you don't waste. You also don't really want the sellotape to be on top of here because it's not very pretty. So a wise woman also once told me to have a salad tip. Wise woman being my mum. Great, I just took off some of my nail varnish on the sellotape. That's really annoying. I mean, voila. I just wanted to show you how nice the plant looks in my room. Makes me want to bloom and keep it. Look how beautiful with my crystal salt lamp.
I have Antoine next. It's
We are going to the ballet today in London with my mum, and we just stopped for a drink. Almond iced cafe. Oh my gosh, my nails look so horrible, I can't show them.
You got the chimichurri.
I am currently using some of my mum's makeup. She's having a dinner party tonight, so I thought, well, I want to look nice, and I'm wearing her Christmas jumper, which she got from a work colleague. This is what I'm obsessed with at the moment, just putting lipstick on and splasher. In the last few clips you would have seen me and my mum, we went for a bit of food and then we went to see the Nutcracker, which is this ballet that we go to see every year together, or most years, and it's the nicest tradition, and I feel so grateful. And this time, instead of sitting at the dress circle, we sat in the stalls, which is basically the bit. By the way, if I look really red right now, at first it looks quite intense and then it quite quickly fades, don't worry. We were sat in the stalls and it was so nice because we had a really, really good view of the stage and I could see literally the dancers' feet. And I'm a bit of a ballet, I don't want to say nerd because I haven't danced for so long now. I used to dance a lot, but I just am obsessed with anything ballet, to be honest. I love watching like behind the scenes rehearsals for the big shows. I'm actually currently just balancing on my knees. It's quite painful, so you can see me, so I really hope you appreciate it. What am I doing? That can't be an eyebrow pencil. Eyeliner. I'm putting eyeliner on my eyebrows, and you can tell because it's really hard to smudge and it does not look right. Ooh, this is cool. So usually for Christmas we go to a carol service, and we usually go to the one in the local town. We actually went to the Oxford Christmas carols a few days ago, and there was a lady from Game of Thrones apparently who was doing a speech there, and we watched that, but I say apparently because I don't know Game of Thrones very well. I watched Game of Thrones, the first season, in first year of uni with this guy who I was seeing. It turned out to be really horrible, but anyway. So now I don't really want to go back and watch Game of Thrones, if I'm honest. I'm really hungry. I have not put mascara on for so long. I feel like my eyelashes should be longer considering how much time they've had to breathe. I used to wear mascara all the time and I felt really insecure. If I left the house without any on, I'd be like, I can't see anyone I know. And I remember I used to go and stay at my ex-boyfriend's house, and I would wake up before him, take off the mascara from the night before and reapply. Crazy, huh? The things us women do to appear beautiful in a world that's always going to tell us, you need to be more beautiful, you need to change your body, you're not doing enough, you're not good looking enough, you're too vain. I always go off on these rants. I find it kind of hard not to. That's why I don't really like to do vlogs, because I find it really hard to not talk about these serious topics, and I feel like it doesn't bring the vlog down, but I think vlogs are meant to be quite light-hearted, easy watching, and I just don't think that's my forte. So the reason why I'm filming this vlog is because I was away on holiday and I thought, I feel really bad that I missed a week of filming, so I'll put up 2 videos. One a vlog and the other an attachment style video, which is my last one. It's my longest video. If you haven't seen that, it's the one before this one. So today on the agenda, go and get Mum Turkish Delight. If I see anything else plant related, get that for her too. I've actually got Mum for Secret Santa. I didn't tell you. We're doing Secret Santa this year, like we've done for quite a few years now. So I've only got to get her a present. My legs are really hurting. I also need to get someone a candle. Don't know whether to have a coffee today or not. I just don't want to be anxious at all. But yeah, Mum's having a dinner party, not dinner party, like drinks party tonight for everyone on our street, which is really cute, I think. But that can be quite like anxiety inducing for me. So if I've got caffeine in my system, it could make things worse. But the party's not for another, probably like, actually I'm not good at maths, I'm not going to attempt to figure out how far away it is. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm not a vlogger. If you enjoyed it, let me know and maybe I'll do it every now and then. But I just wanted to give you a little bit more of me, considering I had a week of just being non-existent on this space. Just been cooking my food, my lasagna. I'm going to do a reel on my Instagram. I'm going to put it up there. But I've got dark chocolate in this ragu, in this like bolognese. Let me show you now. I've put so much in here: olive oil, dark chocolate, red wine, oregano. It's beyond minced meat, onions, nutritional yeast, obviously passata. It's just really thick though. I've been cooking it for quite a while. And I'm going to use this for the bechamel. I'm just going to spread this instead of making my own vegan bechamel, just because I think if you use plant milk, it leaves like a bitter taste. Just got back from the crib service. We're not actually religious, but it's just a bit of a tradition. It was so nice. We're now going to do a film and get a Burger King. Only thing I didn't like from the Christmas service was they had like donkeys and sheep and stuff, and I just think that's wrong. Just using animals for like human enjoyment and exploitation. My lasagna is looking pretty tasty. Merry Christmas. I'll be putting it in the oven tomorrow and all this should just melt. That's butter and nush. I got some extra bits for my mum, by the way. I went and got her Turkish delight, and I got that candle for my mum's husband's mum. And what else did I get? I can't remember. It's been a really nice day though. I went to town with my mum. We had a little coffee, which didn't send me into a different dimension. I was quite calm, not anxious at all, which was really nice. And yeah, we picked up some presents, came home, made the lasagna, went to the crib service, went for a drink at the pub. I had a Bloody Mary, which was so yummy. It was proper spicy. And I'm not a big fan of alcohol. I don't really like the taste of it. And this one was really weak. So it was lovely. Me, my mum and my brother went to the pub. It was just really wholesome. Now we're back, gonna watch the Polar Express and have a chill Christmas. Burger King is closed, so we're getting McDonald's. What plant it is. Merry Christmas. Love you lots. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.